inside the new one will have hello. So got it, guys. Next, CP, can we able to copy the file one inside the dir one? Yes, CP space file name file one. So dir one is a directory name. So clear, guys. We copy the file one inside the dir one. This file one we copied into dir one directory. So how we need to verify? cd dir one, right? We need to change the directory, then check the list. Inside the dir1 will have the file one. How we need to go back to the desktop? Yes, guys, cd space dot dot. We are back to desktop, one directory back. So instead of doing cd dir1 ls, directly you can use ls-l, then directory name you can provide, then it will list out the content of your directory. Got it, guys? Instead of doing cd space dir1 and ls, directly you can execute ls command. After ls, provide the directory name, give one space and provide the directory name. It will list out the directory content. So I hope you got it, guys, how we need to list out the content of our directory. So clear? Yes, no? Right. So I hope you got it, guys. So now, can we able to copy the directory to the directory? What happened? See, omitting directory dir1. So while you're trying to copying the dir1 inside the dir2, what happened? We are getting an error. So guys, inside the dir1 will have few content, right? We have some content inside the dir1. So along with the content, we need to copy, right? That means recursively we need to copy, right? cp hyphen r. R means recursively. vf, both are optional. V verbose, VR BOSA. V verbose, VR BOSA. So clear, guys? So clear? So CP, RVF, R is a mandatory, recursively. VF is optional. If you want, you can give, or otherwise you can leave it. It's not a problem. So V verbose, F forcefully, R recursively. Verbose, VER BOSE, F forcefully. Then dir1 to dir2. Guys, R is a mandatory. R recursively, we are going to copy the directory to the directory. So V verbose, it will print the message from where to where we are copying. F forcefully, right? So forcefully, we are trying to copy. See, V verbose, it will print the message from where to where we copied. So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Yes, no? Good. So now let's verify ls-ld, sorry, ls-l, then dir1. Inside the dir1, sorry, inside the dir2, we'll have the dir. While you're trying to copying the directory to the directory, at the time you need to use this option called -r. So VF optional. If you want, you can give, or otherwise you can leave it. It's not a problem. But R is a mandatory. RVF options we need to provide while you are trying to copying the directory to the directory. So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? Good. So like this, you can copy the file to file, file to directory, directory to the directory. Now we'll see move command, MV. This is copy paste. This is cut paste, guys. CP is a copy paste. MV is a cut paste. Control C, Control V in Windows. Control X, Control V in Windows. MV. MV, Control X, Control V. We are removing from source permanently. We are trying to moving into another directory. Right, guys? Simple. We have this poster. The same poster we need into another classroom. Then what you are going to do? You're going to take the snapshot, and then we are going to take one more printout. We are going to paste into the another classroom. That is copy. Just now we completed copy command. Cut paste. We are removing this poster from this classroom, and then we are trying to pasting into another classroom. We doesn't have this poster here. That is cut paste. I hope you got it, guys, right? So MV is a cut paste. It's not a copy paste. We are trying to removing the file or directory from source and we are moving into destination. So clear? So possibilities. For example, same scenario, file one having hello, right? Then file two having hi. Okay, for example, both are existing files, guys, right? Both are existing files. File one having hello and file two having hi. Okay. Mr. Vamsi Krishna. So you should have some patience. I will teach you everything. Okay. I'm coming one by one, right? So clear. So file one having hello and then file two having hi. Right, guys. Now we are trying to moving file one to file two, right? We are trying to moving file one to file two. So if you move the file one to file two, what will happen? Always file to data, it will overwrite, we know, right? This file one, it will become file two. Rename. It will rename the file. We doesn't have the file one. The file one, it will rename as a file two. Inside the file two, we have the file one's content. I hope you got it, guys. Right? So while we are trying to moving the file one to file two, both are existing files. File one having the content called hello, file two having the content called hi. Now we are moving file one to file two. Then what will happen? Always file two content, it will overwrite. Instead of hi, we'll get the hello. But here, what will happen in the sense? File one, it will rename as a file two. We doesn't have the file one. Instead of file one, we'll have the file two, right? Inside the file two, we have the file one's data. I hope you got it. We are moving one file to another file. It will rename the file. It will rename the file. Now we doesn't have the file one, we'll have only file two. Now we are trying to moving this file two to new two. Now we doesn't have the file two. Now we'll have the new two having hello. I hope you got it, guys. Simply you can remember to rename the files, to rename the directories, we are going to use MB to rename the file. Next, for example, we are trying to moving new one to dir2. Can we? We can. So new available on top of the desktop. Now we are trying to removing the new two from the desktop. We are trying to moving into the dir2. We doesn't have the new two on top of the desktop now. So the new two, it will move inside the dir2. Next, now dir2, we are trying to moving into dir4. We doesn't have the dir2 on top of the desktop. The dir2, it will move into dir4. Cut, paste, right? Permanently, we are going to remove from the desktop. Then we are moving into some different directory. So I hope you got it, guys. So we'll do practically now. So let's see, guys, here. Cat file one. Yes, we have hello. I think cat file two will have hello. We'll do one thing. We'll overwrite this cat file two. I'm trying to keeping high. Okay. So cat file two. So file two having hi, and then file one having hello. Right, guys. File two having hi, file one having hello. Now we are trying to moving file one to file two. MB file one space file two, then hit enter. See, guys, we doesn't have file one, see, it's gone. So if you want, you can check the list. ls-l. We doesn't have file one, see, it's gone. So file one, it will rename as a file two. Then cat file 2. See, actually file 2 should have hi, but it available hello inside the file 2 because we renamed the file. We renamed the file. We doesn't have the file 2. So MB file 2 and then new 2. So now we doesn't have the file 2. Instead of file 2, we'll have the new 2. See. So new 2 having the content call hello. So I hope you got it, guys. To rename the files, we are going to use MB command. To rename the files, we are going to use MB command, right? Now we are trying to moving new 2 inside the dir2. New 2 is a file. We are trying to moving this new 2 inside the dir2 directory. MB new 2, then dir2. Simple, right? Now let's verify dir2, ls-l dir2. See, inside the dir2 we'll have the new 2. I hope you got it, guys. We doesn't have the new 2 on top of the desktop. See, we doesn't have the new 2 on top of the desktop. We move this new 2 file into dir2 directory. MV dir2, then we are trying to moving into dir4. Now dir4 here doesn't need to use -rvf options like cp command. Only for cp we should use rvf option. Here doesn't require. So clear, guys. I hope you got it, right? So let's check the list. See, we doesn't have the dir2. The dir2 where it will be available now? Inside the dir4. Inside the dir4 we'll have the dir2. So I hope you're clear. Cut, paste. If you want, you can rename the directories also. It's not like this. We need to rename only files. If you want, you can rename the directories also, right? MV dir3. And guys, you should not give the existing directory name in destination place. You need to provide the new directory name. If you're providing the existing directory name, what will happen? This dir3, it will move into that directory. We need to rename the directory, right? So as a demo directory we doesn't have inside our operating system. Now this dir3, it will rename as a demo. See, you should provide the new name in destination place. If you're providing old name, existing name, then what will happen? The dir3, it will move into that particular directory. I hope you got it, right? So you need to rename in the sense you should provide the new name in destination place. dir3 space demo. Demo we doesn't have. So this dir3, it will rename as a demo. So I hope you're clear, guys. Yes, no? Good, very good. So this is MV command. So do you have any doubts, any questions here? I hope you're clear, right? Good. Next, RM command. RM is a command to delete the files, right? Removing files and directories now, okay? So let's see, guys. I'm trying to creating few files, okay? So f1.4, right? So k1.4, right? So you can create few directories and files. We have few files and directories. Now we are trying to deleting one file. RM is a command. Guys, please focus on it. Concentrate, guys, online and offline both. So RM space, and we need to provide the file name, for example, F3. F3 file, it got deleted. CV doesn't have the F3, right? RM space K3. So K3 files, it got deleted. We doesn't have the K3C. So I hope you got it, guys, how to delete the files, right? So RM and F star. Star means wildcard character. Wildcard. In Big Boss, wildcard will have right entry. Like the same way here, we'll have wildcard character. Star means wildcard expression character, whatever if you want to can say. Star, it will consider everything after F, right? Starting letter, F file, everything, it will be deleted. See, guys, we doesn't have the starting letter F files. RM K star, starting letter K files, everything, it will be deleted. So I hope you got it, guys. Star is a wildcard character, wildcard expression, whatever if you want to can say. So clear, guys. I hope you got it. Star, it will consider everything. So now we need to delete the directory. I hope you clear how we need to delete the files. Guys, remember, if you once delete the file, you are unable to recover. So we should use third-party application, or otherwise we should have the backup. Okay, then only we can able to recover. So permanently it will be deleted from our operating system. So clear? rmdir is a command removing directory. rmdir is a command removing directory, right? So now we are trying to removing the directory called dir1. What happened? See, so dir directory is not empty. So directory having the content. But how we need to delete this? What is rmdir? rmdir is a command to delete empty directories. rmdir is a command to delete empty directories. For example, D3 is an empty directory. I think we doesn't have anything inside the D3. We can see, guys. D3 it got deleted, right? rmdir demo also doesn't have anything, right? So we can able to delete demo, right? So I hope you're clear, guys. rmdir is a command to delete the empty directories. Now, how we need to delete the content directory? rm-rbf. R is a mandatory, VF is optional. So R recursively, VF verbose forcefully. Both the options are optional. VF. Okay. Then, for example, dir1 we are providing. Yes, it got deleted. We need to delete everything from desktop. rm-r f rrbf, whatever if you want, I can give. Then star, then hit enter. Everything it will be deleted from desktop. It doesn't have anything on top of the desktop. So I hope you got it, guys. How to create the files, how to copy the files, how to move the files, how to create the directories, how we need to delete the directories, how we need to delete the files and everything. Frequently, we are going to use like this basic commands. So I hope you're clear, guys. Do you have any doubts, any questions here? Yes, WebRose, it will print the message. Mr. Reddy. So clear? I hope you got it. Yes, no, online. So I hope you're clear, guys. Very good. Right. So next. Now, as of now, we discuss blue colors are directories and black colors are files. Actually, it's not a right way to identify the files and directories, guys. Okay. Actually, this is not a right way to identify the files and directories. Okay. Give me 1 minute. So I'm having some confusion with time. How to modify time date CTL. Time date CTL. Set hyphen time zone. Asia. Right. Good. So next, see. Yes. So let's see, guys, here. Now we are trying to discussing how we need to identify the proper file type. So yesterday we discussed blue colors are directories, black colors are files. But this is not a right way. This is not a right way to identify the files and directories. How we need to identify the files and directories, now we'll discuss, right? So let's see, guys, here. Guys, we have few symbols. We doesn't have file 1, we'll have file 2, Shiva. So file 1, it will replace with file 2. It will overwrite. It will rename the file 1 as a file 2. We doesn't have the file 1 if you're using mv command. So got it. So let's see, guys, here. Hyphen normal file, right? D for directory, directories. C for character file. Okay. Example, keyboard, mouse, etc. Right? So B for block files, right? Block file. Example, hard disk, pen drive, DVD, CD, etc. Right? So I hope you got it, guys. Then L for link file. Very good. So hyphen, normal file, D for directory, C for character files, B for block files, L for link file. Coming to link files, we have two types of files again, soft and hard. I will tell you what is soft link and what is hard link. Okay. Hyphen indicates it's a normal file. Right, guys? So D for directory, C for character file, B for block file, L for link file. So from where we need to get those all the symbols, right? How we need to identify the, I'm coming, man. Link file means shortcut. I think you didn't attend the starting sessions. Ready? Please try to go through that videos. So first 1 week videos, okay? Then you can able to understand. L means link file, soft link, hard link, shortcut link means, okay? So hyphen, normal file, D for directory, C for character file, B for block file, L for link file. L for link file. Right, guys? So I hope you're clear. So clear? So from where we need to get those all the symbols. So how to create the files? You can use touch command or cat command, whatever if you want, they can use. Then we are trying to creating few files now on top of the desktop. So touch file 1 to file 4. Okay. Then mkdir dir 1 to dir 4. Right. See, guys, let's check the list. Blue colors are directories and black colors are files like this. We discuss as of now, but it's not a right way. So how we need to find out? If we execute the ls-l command, first field, it will represent file type. First field, it will represent file type. If we have the D, that is directory. See, guys, here. We'll have the D in front of the file, that is directory. If we having hyphen, it's a normal file. Now I'll ask one question to you peoples who attend the file system hierarchy, especially for them, from where we need to get the block files and character files. Listen the question carefully, who attend the file system hierarchy for them. From where we need to get the block files and character files. If we having D in front of the file, that is directory. If we have the hyphen in front of the file, that is normal file. Then how we are going to identify the block file? We should have the B in front of the file. How you are going to get the character file? You should have the C in front of the file. Those files from where we need to get. So /dev, very good. Right? So inside the dev will have the device files, right? Block files and character files both are devices, right? Hard disk device, keyboard device, pen drive device. Those all the device files where it will be available inside the dev directory. Dev contain device files. While we are discussing about file system hierarchy at the time we discussed, right? So I hope you got it, guys. So we'll have the C in front of the file. Those are character files. See. So we have huge content inside the dev. Some content it got scroll out, right? So because of that reason, I'm using filter command. No need to bother about this. I will teach you later. Grep command. Okay. So let's see, guys. If we having the B in front of the file, those are block files. So device files where it will be available inside the dev directory. Inside the dev directory, we'll have the character files and as well as block files. So got it, guys. Block files, character files, both are device files, right? Hard disk is a device, keyboard is a device, pen drive is a device. Everything is devices, right? So we'll have the device files inside the dev directory. So I hope you got it, guys. So clear? Yes, no? So from where we need to get the link files, symbolic links. In file system hierarchy, we'll have the 4 symbolic links, right? CD / root directory. So here, bin, it's linked to the USR bin. Lib, it's linked to the USR lib. Lib64, it's linked to the USR lib64. Sbin, it's linked to the USR sbin. See here. You'll have the L in front of the file, that is link file. I hope you got it, guys. If you're having the L in front of the file, those are shortcuts, link files. So clear? Bin, it's linked to the USR bin. You'll have LC. So lib, it's linked to the USR lib. You have L in front of the file name. If you execute the ls-l command, the first character, first field, it will represent file type. So no need to bother about those all stuff. Each and everything I will teach you. Not now. While we are discussing about permissions, special permissions at the time. Got it, guys? So the first field, it will represent type of the file. Type of the file, right? So let's see here. So 4 symbolic links will have. 4 files will have. So I hope you got it, guys. Excuse me, guys. So clear? Still, if you're having the doubt, we have one command called file. With the help of file command, you can identify the file type. File and space, you need to provide the file name. Right? It will show you file type. So let's see, guys, here. CD, desktop. Guys, you need to switch to the desktop in the sense in desktop or capital D you should provide because Linux is a case sensitive. Right? If you're providing small d, don't take. You are going to get error. You're going to get error. So better to provide capital D here. Okay. So now let's see here. Check the list. We'll have your files and directories. So we need to know the type of the file. File is a command. For example, we are providing file name called dir1. It's a directory. File is a command. Then file1. It's an empty file. So file is a command. etc password is a one file. This is ASCII text file. It having content, right? So file is a command. dev sda. It's a block special file. Inside the dev will have the one file called sda. This is block file, hard disk. Block files means hard disk, right, guys? So clear? So file is a command. We can able to know the type of the file. So I hope you got it, guys. So clear? Yes, no? Good. Then now we'll see how we need to create the soft link and hard link. Guys, if you're feeling I'm going fast, you can tell me. Online. Fast వెళ్తున్నానా లేదు కదా. If you're feeling I'm going fast, you can interrupt me. I said day one itself only. Sometimes I'm into one flow while I'm trying to teaching at the time. So without knowing me, I'm teaching fast. So you should interrupt. Okay. Little bit fast, Siva. Okay, right. Good. So you need to inform, right? How I can able to understand. And especially for you peoples, like especially who's attending the online classes, I'm unable to see your expressions. I'm unable to get your expressions, what you're doing. But coming to offline, I can able to see. Okay. Somewhat I can able to understand whether you are getting or not. So especially for online, guys, if you're unable to understand, you can ask me on the spot itself only. It's not like this. We need to wait until we complete the session. Okay. Vinay, got it. So that is what I'm saying the day one onwards. So if you're feeling I'm going fast, you need to interrupt. So clear? Good. So now how to create soft links and hard links we'll see. Guys, soft links are shortcuts. What is the use of shortcut, guys? Why we need to create a shortcut? To access the resources little bit quickly. That's it now. For example, you try to installing one game, right? So you are unable to get the shortcut on top of the desktop. So how we need to play the game? We need to open the My Computer. Inside the My Computer, we'll have the C drive. Inside the C drive, we'll have the program files. Inside the program files, we'll have the game folder. So we need to open the game folder. There we'll have the game.exe file. Then we need to double click. This much of process really we need, guys, for playing the game. Instead of doing this much of process, we are going to keep one shortcut on top of the desktop. Simply switch on the machine, click the shortcut, that's enough. So game it will play, right? Like the same way here, coming to Linux, we have soft link. Soft link. So soft link is a shortcut. Guys, we can able to create the soft link for files and as well as directories. It's not like this. We need to create the soft link only for files. So you can create the soft links for files and as well as directory, right? Now, how to create the soft link? Then how we need to manage the soft links, how we need to verify, everything we'll discuss now. Right, guys? Soft link is a shortcut. Hard link is a backup, backup file. Leave about hard link, we'll discuss later. First of all, focus on it. Soft link. So how to create the soft link? Guys, it's a very easy, it's a very simple to create the soft link, right? Shortcut. Yes. So guys, we are back to home directory of current user. So we log in as a student user. We are back to home directory of current user. At present, we are in home student. Where we got located? Inside the home student. So inside the home student, we have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public templates, videos like this, folders will have, directories will have. Now here, we are trying to creating one file. Here, we are trying to creating one file. So how to create the file? So cat is a command. Very good. Cat space file name. For example, I'm providing soft. You can give any name. So it's not like this. We need to provide soft because we are doing soft link. Because of that reason, I have given soft as a file name. You can give your own name also. It's not a problem, right? Then hit enter. Then here I'm writing this is a soft link. Then Control D to save the file. So check the list. See guys here, one file it got created. The file name is soft. Where it got created? Inside the current user's home directory. We log in as a student user in student user home directory. So we created one file called soft, right? Okay. Now we are trying to creating the shortcut for this soft file on top of the desktop. So then what we need to do? We need to switch to desktop. That's it. No? We are back to desktop now, right? Home student home student desktop. So we are on top of the desktop. Now we are trying to creating one shortcut on top of the desktop for whom? For soft file. So we need to access the soft file from student user's home directory to desktop. From desktop, we are trying to accessing the soft file content. using shortcut. Right, guys? How to create the soft link on top of the desktop for soft file? ln is a command. What is that? ln link. ln hyphen s. What kind of link we are creating? Soft link. Hyphen s means soft. ln space hyphen s is soft. Got it, guys? Then home student soft is a source file name. Where it got located, we need to provide the total path here. So if you're providing soft name, it won't accept, guys. We should provide the soft file where it got located. The soft file, it got located inside the home student, right? We create the soft file inside the home student, right? So we should provide the total absolute path of soft file. Got it? Space, and where we are trying to creating the shortcut on top of the desktop. Here, no need to provide the total path. Already we are on top of the desktop, right? Just you can give the file name. If you want, you can use soft, or otherwise you can give any name. I am providing S1. So let's check the list. See, guys, here S1 file it got created. It's linked to whom? Home student soft. Then if you observe, you'll have L in front of the file name. You have L in front of the file name. This is link file. This is link file. If you want to can minimize and see, guys, here, if you observe one shortcut file, it got created on top of the desktop. If you open, you're going to get the content from soft file. See. I hope you got it, guys. Excuse me, guys. So I hope you're clear how we need to create the soft link. Got it? Okay. Right. So how we need to check in CLI more? Cat S1. That's it, no? Cat S1 to print the content of the soft. We are going to get the content from soft file in S1, right? Okay. Now, if you did the modification in S1, changes, automatically the modification, it will reflect into soft file, right? Cat double greater than S1. We are trying to adding this is a Linux class. Control D to save the file. How to print the content of the S1? Content of S1. Cat S1, right? Then how to print the content of the soft file? Cat home student soft. Because we are into desktop, but the soft file it got located into home student. We should provide entire path, then only we'll get the proper output. I hope you got it, guys. If you did the changes into the S1, automatically those changes it will reflect into the soft file. If you did the changes into the soft file, we can able to get the changes from S1 file. So shortcut, right? Okay. Now my question is, both the files having the content or not? S1 and soft both having the content, both are same or different? Soft link is a shortcut, Nayak. Soft link is a shortcut. We are trying to creating shortcut for soft file on top of the desktop using ln-s command. This is source file and this is destination file. S1 it got created on top of the desktop. So S1 it's linked to the home student soft. So this is link file. You'll have the L in front of the L. Simple, guys. Soft means shortcut. We are trying to creating the shortcut, right? So clear? So now S1 having the content of soft. Then if you did the modification in S1, automatically it will reflect into the soft, right? So I hope you got it, guys. So now how we need to verify both the files are same or different? How many people you are saying both the files are same? So which basis you are saying both the files are same, Vinay and Praveen Kumar? Vinay and Praveen, those both the people they given the answer. right? Then which basis you are saying both the files are same? I'm saying both are not same. Both are different files, right? S1 doesn't have the content. S1 is only shortcut. Then how we need to verify properly to know the size of the file? That's it, no? We need to get the size of the file. With the help of the size, we can able to understand whether both the files are same or different. If you having the same size, then same files. Different size means different files, right? So let's see here. How to know the size? du-h is a command. Guys, give me 1 minute. du-h is a command to know the size of the file. Yes, guys, hopefully. You hear me? Right? Online. Can you hear me? du-h is a command. du-h is a command. Du full form disk usage. -h human readable format. Du full form disk usage space -h. -h means human readable format. Human readable format. Then provide the file name. To whom we need to check the size, then we should provide the file name here. Then hit enter. See, 0. We doesn't have anything in S1. It's a 0. du-h, then home student soft. See, guys, 4K. So soft file having content. S1 file doesn't have the content. Both the files are different. I hope you got it, guys. Both the files are different, right? Clear? So we have du-h is a command to know the size of files and directories. So du full form disk usage -h human readable format. Then space, you need to provide the file name or directory name to whom we need to check the size. So S1 is a file name we have provided. Then it doesn't have anything. It's 0 KB. Then we are providing home student soft file. Then it having 4 KB. I hope you got it, guys. So both the files are different files. Both are not same, right? Then this is one way to know whether both the files are same or different, right? Next, Pavan, listen, first of all, listen, Pavan Kumar, what I'm trying to teaching, everything I will teach you. I don't know why you are having that much of hurry. Huh? We didn't complete soft links and hard links, right? We are discussing, right? So please focus on it. Everything you're going to get clear, okay? So clear, guys? We have the one more way how to identify the files both are same or different with the help of inode number. Inode. I-N-O-D-E. Inode. Inode number is the identification number of the file, right? While you're trying to creating the file automatically, so that file it's having inode number. So this inode number, it is going to store inside our hard disk block to identify the file. Got it, guys? How you'll have the ID cards? Like the same way, each and every file and directories it having the inode numbers. How to know the file inode number? ls hyphen ls hyphen I is a command. Got it, guys? ls hyphen I means inode numbers. It will show you ls hyphen I and then s1. See, guys, here s1 inode number 179. Then ls hyphen I home student soft file inode number 179. Both the inode numbers are same. Both the files are different. Sorry, both the inode numbers are different. Both the files are different. I hope you got it, guys. So this is 179 and it's a 178. Both are different inode numbers. So both are different means both the files are different. So like this, we need to verify both the files are different or same. So which file having the content, which file doesn't have the content, like this we can able to get. So using size, we can able to get which file having the content and which file doesn't have the content. So here with the help of inode number, we can able to identify both the files are same or different. If you're having same inode number, it's a one mirror replication. One replication, that's it. Right? So I hope you got it, guys. How to know the inode numbers? ls hyphen I is a command. ls hyphen I is a command. So to know the inode numbers, both the files inode numbers are different. That means both the files are different. Now, if you delete the main file, can we able to get the content from the S1? So we are trying to deleting the soft file, guys. If you delete the soft file, can we able to get the content from S1? No. Simple. If you uninstall the game, unfortunately, if you're having the shortcut on top of the desktop, if you click the shortcut, can we able to play the game? Like the same way here also. If you delete the main file, automatically we are going to lose the link and then we are unable to get the content from soft. So let's verify. rm-rf, then home student soft. The main file it got deleted. Then let's check cat s1. What happens here? No such a file or directory like this we are getting because the link it got broken. The main file it got deleted. S1 doesn't have the source to get the content. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? I hope you're clear about soft links. Yes, no. If you're creating same file inside the same directory, automatically the link it will enable. But we doesn't have the same content. What you provide the content into the soft file. So new soft file, the content will get. Got it, guys? If you're creating the soft file again inside the home student, automatically the link it will enable. Got it? Right. Next, hard link. Hard link. Guys, same. I'm back to current user's home directory. Right? So we are back to current users home directory, home student. So clear, guys? Next, we are trying to creating one file called hard. Okay. Cat space greater than hard. Then I'm writing this is a hard link. Control D to save the file. See, guys, one file it got created called hard inside the home student. Right, guys? Inside the home student, one file we created. So clear? Right. Hard link is a backup, guys. Even if you delete the main file, we are not going to lose the data from shortcut. I hope you got it, guys. Even if you delete the main file, we'll have the data. It's one kind of backup file, right? So now we created one file inside the home student. Then we are back to desktop. Okay. So now we are trying to creating hard link on top of the desktop now. So now ln is a command. Don't give hyphen s option. Got it, guys? So if you're providing hyphen s option, right, it will create soft link. We should not give the hyphen s, only ln. ln, that's it. Then home, student, then heart. Right, guys? Home, student, heart. Then h1 is a file we are trying to creating on top of the desktop. H1 is a hard link. Then hit enter. Got it, guys? So H1 file, it got created on top of the desktop. See, if we open H1, we are going to get the content from heart. So I hope you're clear, right? So now let's verify both the files are different or same. If we append the H1, automatically it will reflect into welcome to NIT. Control D to save the file. Then cat H1, right? Then cat home student. If you did the changes into the hard file, so the changes it will reflect into the H1. If you did the modification into the H1, automatically the changes it will reflect into the hard file, vice versa, like soft link only. Okay. But we need to verify both the files having the content or not. So first way, we can able to check the size of the file. How to know the size of the file? Which command we need to use to know the size of the file? If it doesn't have any content into the soft file, what it will do? It will print empty. That's it now. If you having the content, it will print. If you create the one empty file, then what will happen? Empty print karega na. So what will have? Huh? So let's see, guys, here. So du hyphen h, right? Then h1. Okay. Du hyphen h, then home student hard. Both the files having the content now. H1 also having the content and hard file also having the content. So let's check the inode numbers. So ls-l. So like this peoples will have, because of that reason I said ls-l I command you should use. Both the files it is showing 0, both are same like this. People they are going to think. And then he's asking, so if I'm creating this empty file, then what will happen? What will happen? Empty only it will print. If you doesn't have any content, what will happen, guys? Empty file only it will print. Then we need to know the both the files are different or same in the sense use ls-i command, then you can able to get the information clearly. Got it? So let's see, guys, here. ls-i is a command. Then so h1 178 is inode number for h1. ls-i, then home student path. Both the files inode numbers are same. Both the files are same. Even if you delete the main file, you'll have the content inside the h1 if you want to can check. But if you create the hard file again, it won't create the hard link. That is different file. This is different file now. Individual files. Guys, shortcuts we can able to create for files and as well as directories, right? But hard link we are unable to create for directories, only for files. Hard link only for files, not for directories. We are unable to create the hard link for we are unable to create the hard link for directories, only for files, not for directories. Soft link you can create for files and as well as directories. Got it? So I hope you're clear about soft link and hard link, right? So how to create the soft link and how we need to create the hard link, right? Good. So now we'll do. So ls-l command, few options we'll discuss now about ls command. Okay. So we'll do one thing. We'll create few files and directories again. Right. So touch. Guys, we have few files and directories on top of the desktop, right? Guys, ls is a command. It will print only names. If you execute ls command, it will print only names, guys. Got it? File names and directory names. So if you need properties of files, ls-l. ls-l means long list. Long list. Long list. Udugaina list. Okay, na? Long list. Huh? So clear? ls-l. When we need to use soft link and hard link, and this depends upon your requirement, you are going to use. Where if you need like backup file, then we are going to create the hard link. Then if you need shortcut to access the files frequently, if you try to accessing somewhere, instead of that, you can create one shortcut on top of the desktop, you can access. Okay. Huh? Guys, please try to focus on it, especially online peoples. I'm unable to understand really. After completing the session, I'm asking to you peoples whether if you're having any doubts or questions at the time, you are not bothering about that. And then if I'm try to starting some different session, you are asking about previous session doubts. Then how I can able to manage? Tell me. So after completing the each and every command, I'm asking to you peoples, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me, right? At the time, so I don't know what you are doing. I don't know whether you are sleeping or what. Huh? Then if I'm trying to starting some different concept, you people you are asking about previous doubts. Then iska matlab kya hai? You are not focusing on it. Mr. Vamsi Krishna. Got it. Hard link for backup. So backup file, it will create one mirror image. Even if you delete the main file, you'll have the content into the shortcut. How to create the file? ln is a command. ln is a command to create a file. So this is a command we should use to create the shortcut. Then how to check the inode numbers? ls-i. If both the inode numbers are same means both the files are same. Even if you delete the one file, you'll have the another file. Right, guys? So ls-l is a command. It will list out the directory content. Directory content means folder. Inside the folder, how many files and how many directories will have, we need to know in the sense ls command we are going to use. ls full form list. It will list the directory content. ls-l is a command, long list. Along with the properties, we are going to get the files and directories list inside the directory. on top of the directory, how many files and directories we'll have, we need to list in a sense. So we need to use ls-l command. ls list hyphen l long list. If you want to can use ll also, both are same. ls hyphen ll, both it will print same output, long list. If you want to can give ls hyphen l or ll, both are same, it will print the files and directories long list. So along with the properties, we are going to get the list. So I hope you got it, guys, right? Along with the properties, so we are going to get the list. So no need to say thank you and those all stuff. You need to focus on it. Anyway, welcome. Okay. So please, what I'm trying to teaching, focus on it. You are not going to get any doubts. Okay. Clear, guys? After completing the concept, I'm asking every time, if you're having any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. Then you are not bothering about that. Huh? So वो complete हो के दूसरा concept अगर कुछ पढ़ा रहा हूँ, then you are going to get the doubt in previous concepts. Huh? ll long list, man. ll is a command, it will print long list. Right, guys? So okay. ll ls hyphen l both are same. ll, guys, I doesn't have the like proper condition, my health proper condition. Try to understand, I am unable to shout. Okay, so clear. Please focus on it. Maybe after 2 days from Monday onwards, Simran sir will back. Okay, so please until try to adjust. Okay, so my health condition is not good at present. Because of that reason, I'm teaching very slowly. Right? So ls hyphen l is a command, then hit enter, it will print the long list. If you want, you can use ll also. Right? ls hyphen l, both are same. Right? Now we need to filter only files. ls hyphen l, then I need to know the only particular file property. For example, file 1. Only that particular file property we are going to get. ls hyphen l, then file star. You're going to get file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. Like this, you can filter, guys. ls hyphen l L star. Star means wildcard expression. So I hope you got it, guys. So guys, if you execute ls-l, it will print all the content of the directory, right? But according to our requirement, we need to filter only few files. So few directories, right? So you know already how to filter the direct files, okay? ls-l, for example, f star you can give, it will show you starting letter F files, everything. If you're providing L star, it will show you starting letter L files. We need both at a time. If you're providing F star, you're getting starting letter F file. If you're providing L star, you're getting starting letter L files at a time, right? We need both at a time, right, guys? So we need to filter starting letter F files, starting letter L files both at a time. ls-l, open the brackets, fl, close the bracket, and star. I hope you got it, guys. Open the square brackets, then keep the first letters inside the square brackets, then star, starting letter F files, starting letter L files, both it will print. So I hope you got it, guys. We need to filter only directory properties. ls-ld, ls-ld, then dir star. See, guys, here dir1, dir2, dir3, dir4. only. So directory properties we are going to get. So D1, D2, D3, D4. So I hope you got it. ls-l, we are going to get the file properties. We need to know the directory property in the sense ls-ld. D for directory. So D for directory. Got it, guys? ls-ld, D for directory. So directory properties we need to know the directory property in the sense we should provide the D star. So ls-l, so dir1, dir star, like this you can give. We are going to filter the directory properties. So I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So how to filter the files, how to filter the directories with the help of ls command, right? So you're feeling speed, Pavan, right? 1.25x speed, huh? Okay. If your directory name is different, how to filter, you need to provide the different name there in front of the ls-d. Different means what different? Different means what kind of different name you are asking? Different matlab? I didn't get you. Huh? Directory different name means I said ls-l to filter the files, ls-ld to filter the directories. Whatever it may be, if you're providing the directory name, it is going to filter. And different name means I didn't get you what you are asking. Okay. So clear. See, Siva, it is not going to print the data. If you're providing ls-l, then it will print the data of your directory. Clearly, I said while we are discussing about copy command, then I don't know why you have this much of confusion here. Guys, so clear. You need to make a note. I'm not going to provide any special notes here. You should write running notes. Pushkar, can we able to create files and directory name? Numerical, you can create. Numbers also you can create. You can give anything, man. If you want, you can give name. If you want, you can give numerical value. Numbers also you can give. So let's see, guys, here. So now we are trying to creating few files with the help of touch command. Guys, last row. Rat, mat, pat, hat, cat, bat. ఇంకేమన్నా చెప్పండి. బ్యాట్ ఉంది కదా, క్యాట్ కూడా ఉంది, ప్యాట్ కూడా ఉంది. Then hit enter. Rat, mat, fat, hat, cat, bat. How many files? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, if you observe, first letter is different, remaining all same, right? Here first letter is R. Then here first letter is M. Here first letter F, H, C, B, and remaining all same. If you execute ls-l command, it will print all the files. But we need to filter only the end letter at 80. End letter should 80. Like this files we need to filter. ls-l. Then star. Very good. 80. Right? So starting letter, anything it will consider. So instead of star, what I'm doing in the sense, I'm trying to providing question mark. So what is the difference between question mark and star? Even if you're providing the question mark also, you're getting same output, right? Then what is the difference between question mark and star? Question mark, it is a one expression. It will consider only one character from your file name. Guys, please listen. Okay. Question mark is an expression. It will consider only one character from your file name. Star is an expression. It will consider all the characters. Let's see here. ls-l, then we are providing f star. We have only one file, right? So ls-l, f question mark, what happened? There is no such a file and directory. Star after f, how many letters will have? 2 letters will have, everything it got considered. But here we doesn't have f1, f2 files. If you're having f1, f2 2-letter files, then the question mark, it will consider one character, then it will print the file content. But we doesn't have like this files here. So let's see here. ls-l, I'm providing 2 question marks. 2-letter files, everything it will print. H1, L1, L2, L3, L4, S1, D1, D2, D3, D4. ls-l, 3 question marks. 3 character files, everything it will print. Bat, cat, fat, mat, rat, fat, something. Okay. So if you're providing 4 question marks, 4 character files it will print. DR1, DR2, DR3, DR4, like this. So I hope you got it, guys. Question mark, it will consider only one character from your file name. Star, everything, wildcard expression. So I hope you got the difference between, right? Question mark and star. Guys, I don't know what you are doing, guys. If you're providing like this, what will happen, man? You're not going to get anything. We doesn't have like this file, right? How about question mark F? You can create one file. So maybe second letter F, then you're going to get. So clear? Snigdha. So మామూలు స్టూడెంట్స్ లేరు, సూపర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అన్నారు మనకు మాత్రం ఇక్కడ. ls-l, it will list out all the files. So I hope you got it, guys. ఈయన మాత్రం ఎనరు, గోల్ మాత్రం చేస్తారు. క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే మాత్రం చెప్పరు. If I'm asking anything, so you're not going to give the answer, but you're going to make noise. So guys, we are professionals, right? I hope like you complete your professional graduations. Don't behave like as a child. Every day I'm saying, you're behaving like as a child. I hope you got it. Try to understand. I don't know what you are like making, like what you are trying to speaking with your friends. ఏముంటాయి మాటలు? So I hope you got it, guys. Where you'll have the Snigdha, I am unable to understand what you are asking exactly. Okay. So let's see, guys, here. So if you want, you can list. Guys, A to D, 1 to 20, 20 to 30, 20-30. It's like this also you can give A to D. Then it will print A to D files. A to C. I'll do one thing. I'll create one file with ABCD. ls hyphen L, then A to C, starting letter A, starting letter B, starting letter C files it will print. So I hope you got it, guys. Like this, options we are going to use frequently. ls hyphen L tr. With the time, we are try to sorting. R means reverse. So time wise, it will print. LTR, time wise, it will print. So got it, guys. ls hyphen LTR. L means long list, T time, R reverse. Not recursively here. Reverse here. So I hope you got it, guys. Guys, especially online, please focus on it, guys. What we are trying to discussing here. So I said now how you need to attend the session, not only Linux class, who's doing online, AWS, DevOps, data science, whatever it may be. So please use your laptops and sit in front of the laptop properly. Then use your headphones and focus on it, especially on Linux, because everything we are going to interact with commands. If you miss something, you are unable to understand anything. It's very easy if you are addicted with this operating system. It's not a big deal to interact with this, but you should do the practice every day. I don't know how many people you are doing practice. Yes, guys. Right. LTR means L means long list, T means time, R means reverse. I hope you got it, guys. This is all about ls command. Don't miss the session from tomorrow. We completed demos. Tomorrow I am going to share the Google Drive link. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to share Google Drive link. And then from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start how to edit the files. Editors we are going to discuss. Don't miss. You need to configure the servers. You need to configure the like anything. Without knowing the editors, it's a bit difficult to us to edit the files. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about VA and VIM editors, right? So if you're having any doubts, any questions, please. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, definitely, Mr. Reddy. So I said now day one itself only, you need to interrupt me if you're feeling I'm going fast. Got it? Because I'm unable to understand sometimes. Okay. If you're simply sitting, then how I can able to understand, man? Huh? Mr. Reddy, you need to speak out, right? You should speak out, then only I can able to understand whether you're getting or not, right? So after completing the session, after completing the command, every time I'm asking to you peoples, whether if you having any doubts, any questions, you can ask. So you people, you are asking after completing the session. If I'm trying to teaching some different concept, then you're asking. Got it? Yes, guys. Hmm? So 5:30 अगर हो गया, हाँ, आप लोग बात नहीं सुनोगे, हाँ? That is what I'm saying, Reddy. That is what I'm saying, Reddy. You need to ask. Yeah, I'll try to share the history. Then can I able to share? Ah, I can, guys. You can download. I shared the history into chat box. You can download. Okay. For offline, don't worry. I will upload this history into Google Drive link. Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Better to stay home itself only.